This is Greenhouse Build 4 installment, and I just wanted to show you. So my son Bridger, he's 16, he finished up this wall over here, and you know, it looks pretty good. He did a pretty good job. Framing with steel is a lot harder than framing with wood. First takeaway. You know, what we'll end up doing is putting some mending plates here when we finalize things. But you can see how the door looks. You know, there's a gap around it, and there is a gap around it. Lets you get the sawzall in to cut your polycarbonate, and also to mount your U-channel or J-channel behind the polycarbonate and give that finished look. So you know, he did everything pretty good on that. Looks good. He started on this other wall down here. So what he did is, this is kind of a part-time gig for him, but he went ahead and mounted this vertical today. What I want to show you though is, you can see here he has the post in the ground. It's about 18 inches down, and the same thing, you know, at this location here and at the base. And what that did, it allowed you to, you know, mount this and center it. The only thing I think that's a good lessons learned here is, if you look at what he did is he did do a tight string line. So let me show you. So you do have a tight string line along here, this red wire or red string. And you can see where he mounted that on the outside here. So he mounted that on the outside. But then if you look at where he put the ground post, he put the ground post on this side, you know, on this side of the line, when it probably should have been over there. What that's going to do is the resulting door, it's not going to be quite vertical, but it's really not a big deal. It'll allow it to, the doors will open out. So the doors will open out, so it'll actually allow the doors to shut on their own. So it really isn't a big deal, but probably not 4.0, but the customer will never notice it, so it's not a big deal. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that as a lessons learned. But otherwise, yeah, he's done a good job on this framing, and you know, he's in it about, how many hours does he have? You know, I don't know. He'll be done with the framing in 60 total hours, I think he'll have in this. So, and then, you know, the polycarbonate and the trim, probably another, 50, 60 hours before it's all done in 4.0. Anyway, that's about the time he had for this. Just wanted to show you how to do this and some lessons learned. Thanks.